welcome to Mini Medi. Today we're going to learn how to manifest a dream or idea. So just take a couple minutes to really think what you want to manifest, whether it's a relationship, a special kind of relationship, something new. I am going to select prosperity, financial riches, and that's what's going to be what I'm going to hold in mind. So you can join me on that venture or just have your own, whether it's a warm connection with a person, a close romantic relationship. Maybe that's something that you are open and ready for, and I might even join you on that journey sometime soon. However, for today, my mindset is definitely on increasing financial prosperity, abundance. So we are going to just hold our hands out. I'm going to put them in front of my power center for this one, and I will walk you through with my words, and then you can certainly use my words and vary them for whatever it is that you are attracting into your life, because you have to use words that you are attracting it now. So whatever you're going to hold in your mind, you believe that it is on its way already. It's already on its way. So we're going to take 3 deep breaths and close your eyes, releasing any doubt and inhaling the certainty that it is coming. I see in my mind's eye that my financial life is increasing, and I have an avalanche of money coming my way. And I give thanks, and I am grateful, and I am open to receiving an increase in money. And I am financially successful. I am rich beyond reason. I have windfalls of money coming into my life and my existence, and I enjoy having money and spending money and having all my bills paid and all my needs met. And I enjoy some luxuries in my life, and I enjoy having all this money to take vacations, spectacular vacations, and going to Arizona and going to a spa, getting upgrades on my home. Hundreds of thousands of dollars are rolling quickly into my life now. And I know it's true, and I think big. I am open to being a millionaire, open to rich ideas. I am talented and share my talents with the world, and it prospers me. All that I am, all that I have is increasing, beautiful and blessed here and now. And I love having all this abundance and sharing it with the world. And it is all good and amazing and bountiful. I enjoy luxury and light, and I am meant to have money to increase my family's wealth. I am meant to have money and to provide and to have money to lend to others, and it is glorious, and I have grace and mercy. And it's all good and beautiful. Money is good for me and good for the people that I can help. and it definitely helps me to do my service work. And with that, I say thank you and take a deep breath in and exhale and release, and know that my finances are definitely transforming here and now, and I am rich and I am blessed and I'm grateful, and I enjoy sharing my abundance and my healthy finances and my healthy financial life, and all the money that I have coming to me is just all around me. It's like windfalls of money just come to me and through me, and I love to share all this money wealth with others who are in need of having more money in their life to achieve what they need to achieve, or to send their children to colleges, and just maybe they need a car to get to that job. So many people have so many needs, and they just need a couple good breaks, and I definitely want to be a channel for that. And that would be just a wonderful new piece of my life. And I definitely can imagine that happening, and that behind the scenes it's happening in my life now. And I give thanks and continue to believe all things are possible if you believe. And you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you next time.